Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the speaker buzzer and Taptic engine on the iPhone XS mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then undo two bottom screws by using a pentalobe screwdriver. To take out the screen, you need a good suction cup or something similar. Here, we are using a double-sided suction cup to lift the front assembly. If not, you can use a regular suction cup to raise the screen and a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book, and then remove 5 screws to take out the shield. Then undo the touch, LCD, battery and earpiece assembly plugs. Next, on the body, take out the broken speaker buzzer and Taptic engine by undoing screws. Take out 2 shields by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect the plug to raise the speaker buzzer and pull out the Taptic engine by undoing 2 screws and the plug. Next, place the new Taptic engine by adding 2 screws and connecting the plug. Next, place the new speaker buzzer into the body by moving the strip and secure the shield by adding 2 screws. Then fasten the speaker plug and the shield by adding 1 more screw. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note, this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, connect the front screen to the body. First, connect the LCD and touch assembly plugs and then lock the board's earpiece assembly and battery plug. Make sure the connections are secured and add the shield by adding 5 screws. Next, to clamp up the phone, click in the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. And finalize the installation by adding the SIM tray and adding 2 screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.